Mastering adverb placement in English sentences. Hello learners, and welcome back to another exciting video on our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to delve into a very interesting topic, the position of adverbs in a sentence. Understanding this can drastically improve the flow and comprehension of your English sentences. So, let's dive right in. Before we explore the positioning of adverbs, let's remind ourselves what an adverb is. Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They often tell us how, when, where, how often, or to what degree something happens. For example, in the sentence, she runs quickly, quickly is an adverb modifying the verb, runs. Adverbs can be placed in three main positions in a sentence: at the beginning, front, in the middle, or at the end, back, of a sentence. 1. Front position. Adverbs can start the sentence to give it emphasis. For example, sometimes, I eat breakfast in the morning. 2. Mid position. When an adverb is in the mid position, it's usually placed after the auxiliary verb and before the main verb. For example, I always eat breakfast in the morning. 3. End position. This is the most common position for adverbs. The adverb comes after the verb or the object. For example, I eat breakfast early in the morning. While the three main positions are a good general rule, remember that English is full of exceptions. For instance, adverbs of frequency, always, often, never, typically go in the mid position, but when we want to add emphasis, we can put them at the front or the end. Emphasized, never have I seen such a mess. Emphasized, I have seen such a mess never before. You may wonder why the position of adverbs matters. It's important because the position of an adverb can change the meaning of a sentence. Let's compare these two sentences. 1. I only eat breakfast in the morning. I don't do anything else in the morning, just eat breakfast. 2. I eat only breakfast in the morning. I don't eat anything else in the morning, just breakfast. As you can see, a small change in adverb position can have a big impact on meaning. That's all for today's lesson on the positioning of adverbs. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the importance and functions of adverbs in English sentences. Remember, practice is key, so don't hesitate to apply these rules in your daily English conversations or writing. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve deeper into English grammar. Happy learning!